Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see iterative program to traverse a linked list. So as you can see here, this is our definition of node of a linked list, and this is our linked list which we will be traversing today. This is our head pointer. It is containing the address of first node. Node 1 is containing the address of second node, that is 200. Node 2 link part containing the address of third node, that is 300. Node 3 link part is containing the address of fourth node, that is 400. And fourth node is containing null as there are no nodes after this one. Okay. Now let's write a program to traverse a linked list, that is iterative program. Let's name this function iterative traverse. So if you remember, to traverse a linked list we can't use head pointer. So what I will be doing, I will be copying the address of the first node from head pointer to a temporary pointer which I will be using to traverse the list. Struct node star temp equal to head. I will be using this for traversal of linked list. So here today we are traversing this linked list, but in generic case we need to deal with a case where our linked list is empty. So if temp is equal to null, what we need to print? Printf no data in list, or else we will traverse this linked list. First of all, we will use while loop. While temp, what we will do? Printf temp dot data, sorry, it will be percentage d here, temp dot data, and in next line we will move the pointer. Temp is equal to temp dot link. Now let's see how this program will work. What we are doing here, we are copying in temp 100. That is, suppose this is our temp pointer, we are putting 100 here. So this if condition will be false. We will come in this else block, and in else block this while loop will execute. So in iteration 1 what will happen? Iteration 1, our temp will be equal to 100. So these two lines will be executed as there are some value in this temp. So it will print temp dot data part. What is temp containing right now? Temp containing 100. Okay. This is our temp pointer. It is containing 100. That means it is also pointing to the first node of the linked list right now. So what it will do? It will print temp dot data. That is data part of the node which is starting from memory address 100. So 10 will be printed in this line, and in this line temp will be changed to temp dot link. And what is temp dot link right now? 200. So temp will be equal to 200. Now again this while loop will execute. Now first of all this check will be done while temp. So we have some value in temp, that is 200. Now what will happen? Iteration 2. This will be true. Now the data part will be printed. This is our temp pointer. It is pointing to this one. Okay. So right now temp in this line temp data will be printed. So what is the temp dot data right now? data part of the node starting from memory address 200. That is 20 will be printed and next line temp will be changed to temp.link. And what is link right now? 300. So temp will be changed to 300. Now what will happen in iteration 3? First of all, this while check will be done. So it will be true and these two lines will be executed. So right now temp is holding 300, so pointing to the starting address of node 3. So temp.data, what is temp.data right now? Data part of the node starting from memory address 200. So 30 will be printed and next line temp will be changed to temp.link. And what is temp.link right now? 400. So temp will be equal to 400. Now come to iteration 4. Iteration 4, temp will be equal to 4. That means our temp pointer will contain 400 and will be pointing to the starting address of node 4. Okay? So this will be true and in next line temp.data will be printed. So data part of node 4 will be printed. That is 40 will be pointer and it printed and in next line temp will be changed to temp.link. That is temp will be equal to null, will be changed to null. And when it is come to execute for itself, that is next iteration 5, while check will be false and the loop will terminate, and similarly this function call will terminate, and you can see here we have printed all the data parts. So friends, this is the iterative program to traverse a linked list. And friends, if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.